In your workspace, only the right tools belong. The BRADY M510 Label Printer earns its spot in every shop. Get big results from a small footprint. Label whatever the job demands, from small specialized formats up to labels 1.5 inches wide. With our fastest cartridge-based printer yet. Print right to the edge, giving you more space and less waste. Punch in data like a pro with a dedicated numeric keypad. Powerful precision comes with an elevated experience. The advanced display shows you exactly what you'll print. Tap into BRADY's label creation software and get more designing power. Import spreadsheet data with ease. Save time with faster cartridge swaps and auto label setup. When you need to move, the M510 keeps up. Work all day on a single battery charge. It's tough enough to get knocked around and flexible when you need the extra room. Maximum value designed for minimal spaces. BRADY's M510 Label Printer.